This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creation. Today's a quickie. We're doing a piece I call CHROMA Web. This is PPG Multi-Pro. This is my pillow paint. Next down is going to be Mango. This is this little Piggy. Almost every one of my colors today are this little Piggy pigments, which start out as a powder, and I add some to make it into a fluid. This is Interference Violet by Golden. One of my two tubes. This is Afterglow by this little Piggy. This is Interference Gold by Golden. Followed by Lilly Pad, which is a new color for me to use. It has a green golden look to it. Very interesting. This is Taffy, and also this little Piggy. And it's a very shiny blue. This is my go-to light gold, which is Ore by this little Piggy. Centering the paint on the tile. And my cell activator for today is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. I'm going to blow this out and do my best to get some petals going on this. One of the reasons my blooms are just not what I'd like them to be is I have a optical issue that doesn't allow me to see out of one eye when I'm working. So it always takes things off center. But overall, I like the effects I get with it. Hold my straw out, see if I can get some of the middle part to open up just a little bit. You can see it almost started doing there. Now I'll get started here, and once I start spinning, I'm going to pick up a tool and fill in the edges, the little tips, to try to get the coverage on the tile. And that's more to give it a flow so they can extend out. Although it's nice to have the color there, almost everything I put in those little tips, those little corners, is going to be spun off. And that's really all I wanted to do. This was just a little quickie that I had today, and I thought that I'd share it. If you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.